Okay, so we are just heading towards the clickbank.com to find the product which we are going to promote. So here's the marketplace, affiliate marketplace. Okay, so here's are the product which we are going to promote, but before promoting we have to select the product which we are going to promote. Here you will find tons of products. You can see 623 pages. In the one page you can find all these products. So this is with all 623 pages, sorry. So now the question is which product which we are going to target. If you look at the top product, which is diabetes destroyer, we are not going to target this product because the competition of this specific product is quite high, has its ranking top. Okay, just before we start promoting, we have to look few things. First of all, the stats of these product. The initial sale, we are going to get $36.73 for one sale, and the average person per sale is 79. So the price of the product is 39, I think. So the 79% of $39 is 36.73. And the gravity, what actually the gravity is how many new vendors are promoting and new affiliates are promoting these products per month. So we are going to target all those products whose gravity is more than 50 plus for an older product. For a newer product, we are just focusing on 10 plus gravity, because once the product enters market, it will take some time to actually gain this much gravity. So now which product we are going to target? First of all, we will see we are not targeting the top product. If you look at the second product is fat dementia. If you look at the landing page, probably there will be a video. We have to look the landing page. Yes, here is the landing page. Okay, so you have to make people to this page. You have to target this page basically through your video, through website or anything. If a user came here and purchased with your affiliate ID, basically this is not your affiliate ID nor mine. If you want to get the affiliate ID, you have to click on the promote, enter your nickname, just like my Andropaki. Okay, so here is the link. If anyone purchase from this link, you are going to get the commission. If we just get to this link, we will actually, yes, here we are. But what's the difference between this and this? This is with your targeted link. You are going to get commission through this link. So this is where you have to target, where you have to make your people came here and purchase. Here is the add to cart button. If you click on this, it will, yes, here it is, $37 product, and how much we are going to get? $34. So it's 77% of the sale. And if we look at the gravity, it's $34.54. so we are going to collect 5 products, and then we are going to get the keyword of that specific product. So our first product is fat dementia. Okay, the second product which we are going to get is diabetes live. If we look at this, Also, we will filter out our products through this filter. We are going to get 2 old products and 3 old products and 2 new products, in which we are going to start our case. So here is the second. No time to watch the video, click here to read. Okay, we are not going to target this because no payment options on this landing page is available, so there is a lesser chance that a user buy and he will probably cancel. And here's the pop-up which automatically came with all the products. If we okay, here is the discount. They all each of the products shows discount on the cancel option, so we are not going to target this product. If you look at this, the lost way, it's self-help product survival basically. Our main target is health and fitness, because health and fitness always sells well. If you look at the Clickbank marketplace, all of the products are from health and fitness. Okay, here's the video. There's no payment option on this page, so we will cancel this, leave. We have to look at the landing page and decide whether we are going to promote or not. If we are going to promote a product which don't have a payment option on the landing page, it doesn't matter if we cancel and there's a pop-up. We are just considering that the people came here and they are going to buy at anyhow. Okay, this is probably good landing page. It's a long and huge landing page. After reading all such things, user will ultimately came here because they are going to read all such things. So we will target this product. It's Ted's woodworking. Okay, and the third product, let's see this product. We can also use their product video, but we are going to make our own product because there might be some issues in uploading their videos to YouTube, some copyright issues, so we are going to make our own video. Okay, here is the video of this product. Result may vary. Also, you can see no payment option on this page. We are not going to target this product. If you look at the new battery, no payment option. We are going to leave this. If you look at the black outja new broad approach, no payment options. There are tons of products which we are going to reject because of many things. Also note that we are going to target all those products which has more than $25+ average percent per sale. Okay, no landing page, no payment option on this page. We are going to the second page. Okay, pure health with bonus. If you look at this, it's 25, which is phenomenal. We are also going to like this. I think that the landing page will be available. No payment. Leave. Okay, No payment option, leave this. No, we are not going to target this product. If we look at this survive in bed and look at the gravity is 108, which is phenomenal. So if it's had payment option in its landing page, so we are going to target this product. The Venus factor, it's one of the top Clickbank products, but now it's down. But we will still look at this product. No. Okay, so here is it is. Okay, we are going to target this product because it's showing the email, and we can target this survive in bed. Okay, these three are the older product. Now we are just targeting the newer product. If we look at the 1 month old products and see, okay, here it is. The gravity for a older for a newer product, our gravity is 10 plus, which we are going to target. If we just look at the betting magician, and okay, no, the gravity is quite low. If you look at this unique forest, it's basically forex trading. So here it is. We are going to target the all such things which has words and graphics. It's going to attract our customers. So one is betting magician, and the other is forex basically. So these 5 products which you are going to target. In the next video I'm going to show you how to do keyword research for every specific product and how to find keywords which you are going to target. We will get 10 keywords for every product, 10 target keywords which we are going to target through YouTube and rank in Google and YouTube as well. So in the next video we are going to find how to actually find the money keywords which users are searching. Okay, till that, bye.